Hi guys, so I just recently placed a party order and well, it's been a couple weeks, but I finally just got this. This is my order that I placed from that party. So I wanted to unbox it and show you what I got from close to my heart. I've been a consultant now for almost a month, and I've almost met my top tier goal for Start with Heart program, which is where you are where you sell $1,200 within your first I believe it's 90 days, I think. So each tier, I think it's like after 30 days, then after 60 days, and then after 90 days. So very exciting. I'm very close to meeting the third tier. So part of that, I think I got something free in here, so I will show that to you. Some of this was just my order. Some of it I earned and got half off because it was part of my first party. So I'm going to show you what I got. First of all, when you do place a close to my heart order, you'll have the option to put a catalog, and I will try to, let me try to move this up a little bit. There we go. So they'll try to put a catalog in the box, or you can select the catalog, and it's free, but you just need to remember to put it in your box, put it on your order. So I usually get a catalog. I've been needing Tombow glue. I've been out for a while. This is white glue. It's a very good adhesive for, especially with making boxes or little 3D paper items. So that's great glue. I'm very excited for this, which is my new paper trimmer. It's the Fiskars Sure Cut paper trimmer, and I think it has an arm that extends out. Comes with a blade, but I also got a package of a score blade, and a trimmer blade, so that I can do both with that. So very excited about that. I did earn a couple of stamp sets. So this is my business builder stamp sets, and these are really cute. So these are exclusive to the consultant when you meet your goals. So the second goal, first goal. And so some cute stamps says, you're the best, fabulous, 1 in a million, celebrate you. And then this one says, ask me how. I scrapbook for a living, I sparkle for a living, I craft for a living. And it says, it's a good day to be creative. Really cute. There's like a little paint swish there. That's really cute. That's going to be cute. And lastly, this one says, live, laugh, craft. I am having a hard time talking. Create, embellish your life. Place photo here. That's cute. Good things come to those who craft. Thanks a bunch. Very cute. So I can definitely use these in my business to send out thank you cards, or just get people excited about a stamping get together, or just because. Those are really cute. So I also ordered a paper pack. You can order a custom cardstock paper pack. And what I love about it is you can choose the colors that you want. 2 sheets, the same color. And then you can order 6 different colors. So you get 12 sheets. So I ordered Pixie Pink. That's this color. And then I ordered Canary. So I got 2 of those. Now, you'll notice one side is a light side and one side is a dark side. Not sure if you can see that. It's very slight, but it's kind of cute when you're making cards. You can choose which one you want to use. So it's kind of nice. 2 different, you know, light and a dark. Very close though, I know. It's hard to tell in there. So that's green apple. And then I got Lagoon. And this is just plain cardstock that I can use for cards. I can use this for scrapbooking. I just wanted a nice variety of all the colors. Not all the colors, but some colors. Sapphire. And this is Candy Apple. So if you're wondering how to order, you can go to http://sweetpiecesbyme.closetomyheart.com, and you can place an order there. I always usually have a party going on, and you can just add you shouldn't have to click on anything. If you start ordering, it'll automatically go on to a party if I have one open. I'm usually doing some type of drawing for the hostess of the month. So if you do place an order within that month, there's usually some type of party going on where I would choose a mystery hostess. And to get in on that, you just place an order. So the link will be in the description box below. And a couple more things. I got the Sapphire Ink. And I'm going to open this because I want everyone to see how awesome their stamp pads are. They are magnetic. And this is a beautiful blue, kind of like a navy blue, navy royal blue. They're magnetic, and I love this. They're so easy to use. You just pop them on and pop them off, pop it back on. So easy. So I got that. That does match one of the colors of cardstock that I got. And then I got this. This is a new stamp set that's available for May and June, and it's called When Skies Are Gray. And I love this because it has some cute umbrella designs that you can stamp and then stamp a design on it. There's hearts and there's little flowers. And it says, "You make me happy when skies are gray. Without rain, there'd be no rainbow. Sorry you're under the weather," which I love because if you know someone that is sick, super cute. And these are really good size. So great for scrapbook layouts, because they're really good size. And the rainbow, you can build a rainbow. Really cute. And there's a cloud. So this also comes with the thinlits. That's why I got this pack, because I wanted the matching, matching thinlits are in it. And it's a really good price. I don't remember, let's see, offhand how much it is. And there's only a packing list in here, so I can't tell you how much this was, but I want to say about 20. Oh, I'd have to guess. 25. I guess I could just look in here. I think it's $25 or $29. But I really like the sayings, and I like the umbrella and how you can build the rainbow. Really cute. So 23 stamps and the thin cuts. And it was actually even, let's see, right here. Yep, with the thin cuts, $25.95. So if you don't need the thin cuts, it's actually $18.95, but for only $7 more, that's such a good deal. Such a good deal. So I'm going to put those back in with this so I don't lose them. And then I also got this window pane one. It's just some little squares that have stitches, and it'll actually cut out the squares. I think it's in the main catalog. There's some really cute samples that are made with this. This is just one big thin cut, and it's called the multi-square windows. And I just love that it's very versatile, and you can do like a whole scrapbook page with this. It'd be really cute. So anyway, that's my order. If you'd like to place an order yourself, just check out the link below, and hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.